Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you today. I know it's been a while since I have posted a video, but as happens, life gets in the way and all good intentions, I just didn't make it back on to film again. So I hope this makes up for it. The first thing I have today was something that I recently picked up from Neiman Marcus. Actually, both of these pieces are from Neiman Marcus, and I want to thank my SA in San Antonio, Isabel, for hooking me up. She is awesome about keeping in mind the pieces that I like and what I'm looking for. So they've kind of changed their packaging, which I do think is good. So as you can see, here's my receipt and packaged in some plastic to make sure that nothing gets into it. So in our black, got the camellia. Ooh, let's see if I can slip this off. Okay, so that's better. That was tight. So here's the care booklet. And I think I can do it without messing up the tissue paper. As you can see, this is a Chanel piece, and this is my Chanel flat card holder in the caviar leather with gold hardware. The two back pockets, the single front pocket, and the inside pocket with the beautiful burgundy lining. And this piece is, I can show it, made in Italy. And this is a 30 series, so shows that it is part of this latest collection. Okay, this next one I also have not yet opened. Okay, and this one also was thanks to my SA in San Antonio, Isabel. This piece actually came from the Boca Raton store in Florida. Again, in the plastic, which I greatly appreciate. Let's see if I can slip this one off a little bit more easily. To reveal my receipt and another Chanel SLG, and this one is the pouch in, again, the caviar leather. I thought this one was in the gold hardware, but this one is in the silver. No worries, I love them equally. And again, okay, again with the burgundy interior, and this does have the cloth lining. So as you can see, this is the soft black caviar leather. This is the OKs or cosmetics pouch in the silver hardware. This too, oh, this one is actually made in Spain. And it is part of the, this one is part of the 29 series. As you can see, I have now completed my trifecta of Chanel SLGs. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to join my YouTube family. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.